Are you an individual who are looking to learn how to start affiliate marketing as a beginner? If so, we've compiled an entire library of our step-by-step tutorials, video trainings, and affiliate marketing systems, particularly for individuals who have taken interest in how to make money with affiliate marketing without needing to build or create a website. A wide selection of the best tools, platforms, and proven strategies to grow online income and build a sustainable online business from scratch. By the end of our affiliate marketing tutorial, inside all of our training, you'll understand exactly how to start affiliate marketing, how it works, and how to start affiliate marketing with the potential of making money online without all of the headache, tech wizardry, and hassle. To learn more about our affiliate marketing training, courses, and affiliate marketing funnel systems, come visit us at our site locations below.